All right, are we live? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? A little bit earlier of a stream. We'll probably do one later tonight. How you guys doing? What's up, Silver? Smash the likes and subscribe. Ibrahim, can you tell me when Engine Coin was rise? Engine. Yeah, I think you asked about that yesterday, but we forgot to cover it. What's going on? He said, I made a lot of money thanks to you. I've been falling for a month. I appreciate the kind words, but you did it all yourself. I did nothing. What's up, Crypt? How you doing, my man? Bigfoot's in the house. Let's go. Hopefully we can get some inflow. Yeah, it would be nice to see the whole market up. Hope you guys are doing good. What's up, God? God got me, says Toshi's running. You're bullish on Toshi, huh? What's up, XCN, bro? How you doing? Yeah, hopefully we have a good stream here. You guys are welcome to say your opinion. There's no arguing. Let's just have a good stream. What's up, Butthole? What a name. Butthole. What's up, Joe? How's it going, my man? Holding your Ondo strong. Let's see what we got going on. Let's put this on the bigger screen. Yeah, I mean, XCN here is holding up very well. So maybe we're in here where we hit the bottom, we form the triangle, hit the top, and then we're just going to go sideways until Monday and then go. I mean, it's looking good, though. It's over the 78626 here. I just don't know if it's going to end up coming back down or not. But it looks extremely good still on XCN. Trying to see if I should buy in or not. I don't know yet. I'm trying to wait till it comes down and consolidates a little more. But he asked for Engine Coin. Hopefully you're still here. Engine. What is Engine doing? Oh, Engine's at the bottom. Engine. Let me get the volume off so we can actually see what's going on. But yeah, low to the high on Engine. It looks like it's going to come back down 786, probably wick down to the trend. From the looks of it here, you're down below the 618. So if you're looking for a final support level in Engine, then 15 for about an 8-9% drop, and then maybe even up to a 20% drop if it wicks down and holds the 786. That would be your final support. Any lower than that, then it could go to a new low. So there's nothing bullish on this chart right now at all. All you can look forward to is that final support, and then once you get back over 28, bottom is in, and then bullish back over about 50 cents here on Engine. And then if Engine's going to run this cycle, 618 retracement up to 118 would be a 7x, and if you think $2, that'd be a 13x. But keep in mind, it is going down further. This thing's still in a bear market, still going down. So much good news and bullish things going on. You're the only one that called it. I cashed out 80% at a 20x. Not bad, my man. 20x is not bad. I wish I would have caught that 20x. Epsilon, how's it going? He says Jasmine. What's up, Justin? Toshi, Jasmine, Swift Coin. Yeah, Jasmine's still not doing anything. But Jasmine's still in a very large inverse head and shoulders pattern, in my opinion. Looking good. Low to the high, you're holding over, you hit the 618. So this should be it for Jasmine at 2.5. We just formed the new shoulder. Nice little wick there. But ultimately on Jasmine, you got to get over 3.5 to be bullish. You're holding the 618 and then breakout. Potentially a good breakout once we finally get a weekly candle close over 5. These candles got stuck perfectly here. And that would potentially break your neckline, and then she can go up. But yeah, Jasmine, once it finally moves up over 5, you're going to 140% spike up potentially. But not a bad look on the macro here with the inverse head and shoulders. And then Jasmine, 30 cents. A lot of people are thinking about taking profit around that area, getting their little 10x. And then we have the 786 for $1 here, $1.10 for a 40x, 50 billion market cap. That is my target. I know people don't like that target, but a quick look at Swift Coin. Yeah, she's still in the same spot from yesterday. Not a good look. I mean, it pumped, but ultimately double top of the lower high. We needed to get past 16 and then 23 to have some momentum and push through or follow through. But ultimately, as long as you're below the 2272, making that double top, it's probably doing what it did back here. So until alt season really kicks in, you know, this thing could end up dropping all the way back down. Just keep that in mind. Depends on how the market's going to react in February, I guess. Yeah, it's a 60% drop all the way back down to the trend. Depending on when it's going to hit the trend, it could, of course, come down and consolidate and go sideways, and you could hit the trend at any of these spots. You could hit it all the way at the 0.5, 382. But you are over the 236, so right now, as long as you're over 1.2, you are technically bullish here, low to the high. But it needs some follow through here. What's up, Samurai Style? How you doing? Yeah, but feeling Ondo's gonna rip to 4 soon. Would be nice. Down 50% on Arrow. Should I sell and move on to what coin? Arrow's gonna go up at some point, but yeah, we'll go over and look at Toshi in just a minute. Forgot there. Yeah, Swift Coin needs to break through that level there. She's simply double topping and coming back down. And as for Arrow potentially put the bottom in again. Right here at the trend, you just tagged it. You're above the 0.5 at 97. You're above $1. So this thing should start moving back up. I mean, overall higher highs and higher lows, holding the supports it needs to hold. It put in the higher low. Now it's time to put in a higher high. So maybe this thing comes up and finally breaks over this 230, 240 level. So she could do a 200% move next leg up. But like I said, no one knows. No one has a crystal ball. Right now it's down. The momentum is down. She may just hold here for a couple of weeks. Let's see. You're the one who told me to buy at 0013. You should have bought. Yeah. I didn't have the money then. I still don't have that much money, but I did get someone did send me some Tether. Shaw. Shout out to Shaw. So now I can buy in, but I wish I would have bought down there with you. I would love a 20x. What's up, Lisa, XCN? We're going to have a great day. What's up, Adam? I don't know. She's holding them very well. Crypt for 2. I appreciate that. Was that 2 Canadian? Crypt from Canada. Let's do a little deep dive into XCN health-wise. I appreciate the 2. What are we looking at? Arrow. Let me put it on XCN and then we'll go take a peek at Toshi. Music's not too loud, is it? You guys can hear everything okay? I mean, it's holding up very well here. But yeah, let me pull up. Let me find Deck Screener. Deck Screener, where you at? Well, I guess there's a Coinbase chart now for Toshi, huh? Should be. Did she get through the 618? Oh. Congratulations to God and Toshi. Let me switch this over for a moment. Oh man, I should have bought Toshi. Yeah, she blew right through the 618. Look at this. Right up to the 1272 new high. Oh my God. So yeah, I don't remember when we first started looking at Toshi, but drawing high to the low, depending on where we drew this at. This is another example of these coins we just look at and new highs in play. Yeah, did a 90% move. So if you can get over 9.4, 001 is next. And then 1.1 for another, if I get this to move. Yeah, but Toshi's going to the moon right now. Toshi for the win. But yeah, as for XCN here, the fact that it's still holding over the 618 on the macro, the 2.2 level, and it's doing the same thing it did here. Simple bullish consolidation continuation pattern here. The only thing I'm concerned about is waiting for this thing to break down and come back down and then go back up. Because right now it is still getting stuck right at the top of the trend that we drew. We didn't even move it. But like I keep saying, if it holds this 786 here at 2.6, I mean, it could start going again. Just need the volume to start kicking in. But yeah, this is another thing you like to see in a consolidation pattern like this. We want to see the volume go from up and just decline. And see how it got to nothing and then it just ran again. So we got that declining volume yet again. So that's bullish. That's what you're going to see in these patterns here. There's just no telling when this thing's going to break out. Loud and clear. What's up, Rashad? XPR Network. What's up, Jay Schneider? Can you take a look at IODEX? Down 35%. Probably move to another coin or DC into it. IODEX, let's see. We just got in yesterday, got listed on Coinbase. I got listed, yeah. Let's see, IODEX. Yeah, I'm on the fence. I've been looking at ACS and XCN. Which one to buy? Oh, I'm gonna have to answer my phone. Hold on. Put it on the IODEX chart and give me 2 seconds. When's the last time we looked at this thing? Jeez. Oh, 3 day. No wonder I can't see anything. IODEX, you're down below the 382, so you're no longer bullish. You broke the steep trend. I guess we could just move that just to clean it up a little bit. I mean, right now there's nothing at all bullish on IODEX. It's coming down. It's down below the 382, hit the 618, got stuck, and now she's just kind of going sideways and down. If we go low to the high, yeah, you're right on the 0.5 right now. So your support is 3.3. Any lower than that, then 618. More likely than not in play. RSI is below 50. But with that being said, it doesn't have to drop. It'd be a 24% drop. This thing's doing pretty much exact same what FET and Render and a lot of other coins are doing. They pulled back, and this one's going lower, made a lower low, so that's not a good one. So I don't know. It's just, as of right now, there's nothing bullish looking. You're below the double 382. It's no longer short-term, long-term bullish. Let's see. Maybe you're on a final support level. So you're on the 0.5. And if we take it smaller, if we were to go down to the 3-day time frame. Oh, no. You just lost the 786 support. So if you can't get back over 3.3, then you're going down 25%, which everything seems to favor that right now. Lower low. Down below support levels. But yeah, I'm trying to find something like XCN that's at the bottom that hasn't moved, and ACS is kind of screaming at me. But this one potentially 5 to 6 billion market cap, if that's still correct. 60 cents would be at 18x to the new high on IODEX. Alright, I gotta go answer my phone. XPR. Yeah, is XPR still moving? XPR network. Yeah, XPR doesn't look bad. Still above the 382. Nice little move up. Resistance is 007. Macro support is 004. So you are bullish now. Not a bad look for this thing taking off. And then let's see. Yeah, if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, you got a little falling wedge bull flag forming. And the most recent little 4-hour pullback, yeah, you're right on the 236 in this little pattern. So this thing will continue moving if it stays over 0050. Any lower than that, then it's probably done. All right, give me a minute. Ah, the mic got unplugged. All right. I didn't know the mic was unplugged. What's the last thing you guys heard? What's up, Wyatt? Says he can't hear you. Yeah, I did take a call, but all right, you guys didn't hear anything on Arkham then. All right, AGIX or Axon Dow here. It's overall looking good. Higher highs and higher lows. You just hit and made the higher low. So, I mean, this thing should, technically, if it's not going to break down, as long as you're over 2.1 and 3.2 in the trend here, you should come up and hit the 786, if not higher. Damn, that came out of nowhere. Oh, man. But yeah, this thing should be getting ready to do 125, 130, 40% move here. If it's not going to break down. It's kind of just going sideways at the moment. What are we on, 3-day? Moving averages tell us nothing. But yeah, if this thing holds up, holds over the 382, once you finally get over 40, let me see, with a weekly candle, pretty much a monthly candle, but once this thing gets up and moves $2 possible, 1272 new high for a 7.5x, and then $4 to $5 here for an 18x, just under $1 billion market cap. But it's just another one that needs to hold the trend here. Yeah, I don't know if you guys heard the Arkham one. Arkham Intelligence. Overall, the Arkham Intelligence chart doesn't look the greatest. What's up, Crypto Mealysis? How you doing, my man? Arkham. But see, this is what we just looked at on the other one. It held the trend, but ultimately it broke and broke down. So new trend in play. Low to the high, you're on the final 618, you hit the 236, so this should be the bottom on this thing. I mean, how much further is it going to go down? So there's really no trend to draw, so this is either it or it's not. But overall, if we zoom out weekly chart, you can still see the overall chart. It's making the higher low, so it's still holding the bottom trend. But here now, it's just not bullish at all. Down below the 382, so 111 to 122 should be the bottom. If not, it's going lower, and then it could break the low. But it needs to get back over 142. And ultimately, it's just going sideways, doing nothing. Nothing bullish on it. But if it's going to run, possible 3 billion market cap to 6 new high, 4, 5x. A lot of these coins, I don't know what they are, so I don't know what they're going to do. He says you grinding, let's go. Yeah, here every day. Gotta do as much as I can. But yeah, you guys should be able to hear me now. Altcoin says Turbo, Fat Girl on Solana, Fart Girl on Solana. Yeah, we'll just go over there. I don't feel like writing it down. Fart Girl on Solana. Yeah, we just looked at Turbo. Turbo's coming down to 0053, I believe, to the 618, and that should be it. But she's still dropping. The bottom's not in yet. But yeah, Toshi got stuck still, but she's been going to the moon. Toshi had a decent run. He said Fart Girl on Solana. Let's see. Oh man, my phone's going off again. Fart Girl, 4 million market cap. Yeah, this thing's going to the moon on the macro. Yeah, this thing's just going up. I haven't even looked at my coins today. I have no idea what they're doing. Let's see. 4,000 holders on this one. Come on, you can move. Yeah, I mean, this thing's just grinding its way up. It's right above the 1414 now. It held the 1272. And she bounced, so it's trying to hold the next level. What are we on? 4-hour candles, so this is going to go by pretty quickly. But yeah, as long as you hold over 3.9, it looks like 8.1's your next stop for another 2x, 100% move. And if it gets through that, then possible 20x. We say that, but this doesn't have all the fibs on it like I have been using. Let's see. We'll just add 2 more just for the fun of it. So if you can get over 8, then maybe 3's next for a 7.5x. But yeah, just another Solana coin that's going. Why won't my coins move? That's ridiculous. What are we looking at? Yeah, too many buttons I have to click all the time. Let's see. All right, we got it all going, I think. Let's see. I'm happy with my portfolio. Sub none. Just want to move. YK. Where's YK? Yeah, Turbo's still just coming down. Some of these coins suck right now. 50 bogeys in the chat. Everyone hit the like button. I appreciate that, my man. Yeah, you gonna stream today? What's up, Flip Coins? How you doing, my man? Adam says XCN's about to fly today. Yeah, I still haven't bought in yet. I don't know if to buy in or not. XCN's gonna moon. What are we looking at? But on Arkham here, as long as you're above the 236, the bottom is in. And like I said, you just bounced on the low to the high 618, so that's what you want to see. Like I said, I don't know what this coin is, but if it comes up here from the last time we looked and hits $6, it's $1.26. That'd be a 5x. I don't know the price target or what anyone says this thing's going to. Well, I guess we do have a moonshot target. Depends on what the market cap is right now. If it's a very low market cap, then for this thing to hit 16 billion market cap, it could be a large move for it. Not necessarily going to happen. 26x to 34. What do we say? What's up, James? He says, God bless you. Oh, it's because I sneezed. What's up, Maddie? Maddie's back in the house. What's up, Richard? He says, morning, Phoenix. Whole market is on sale, yeah. What's up, Stone Santa? All right, what are we looking at? Phoenix, Shadow Token. Phoenix, let's see what she's doing. Oh, small time frame coin. So yeah, that's why I don't like charting these small 4-hour coins. Get out of my way. Because you can do everything you want on it, but by the next day it's all out the window, just like this one. The last time we looked at it, it made a new low. There's nothing bullish on the chart at all. It's the right one, ain't it? PH Nix. Like I said, as of right now, this thing's just in a downtrend. Made a new low, broke the 236 support. So, what are we on? Yeah, there's nothing that looks good on this chart at all. Needs to get back over 3.9 to confirm macro bottom, and possibly 3.5. 3.5 up to 3.9 to confirm any kind of a bottom, but you can already see high to the low. It got stuck perfectly. So it's getting stuck at the first resistance. Not a good look at all. Last time we looked, it was at 38 million market cap. So I don't know why we have that on there. So a 400 under $500 million market cap would give you a 25x if you think you can make it that high. 308, but there's no bottom yet. So good luck. But yeah, trying to see. He says another 5-hour stream today. Oh, I didn't even see these super chats coming in. Yeah, Crypto for 2. I appreciate that. We got flip coins for the $5 super sticker. I appreciate that, my man. I didn't even see that come in. Appreciate the support. And then we got Carlos for 5. Your thoughts on SYN? What do you think you can reach? Thank you, brother. SYN, we haven't looked at that in forever. SYN. Well, we'll just treat it like the other coins that we have no idea about. See what she's doing. She's dying. I guess we did. Oh, I guess we looked at it at some point. But simply macro chart. Everything's doing the same thing. Lower highs across the board. Nothing bullish. Down below 382, 236. You just broke the trend again, it appears. Yeah, it looks like with this candle here, you're breaking the trend. So let's find the final support for this thing, I guess. And then low to the high on this one. So you're either going to bounce on the 618 or it's coming down to the final 35. So as of right now, momentum is down. So a 7% drop to 4 as long as you're below 51, 52, and then possibly a 26% drop. And like I've said many times, it doesn't have to be perfect with the trend line here. It appears to be broken, but you're still technically making a higher low. So you can go down to the hourly time frame and try to find where the support you're holding is, but it doesn't appear there's any. Looks like you broke the 786 already, yeah. So it doesn't look good at the moment. So until you get back over 52 up to 78, and there's no bull run until you get over 150, 618, where you got stuck all back here on these weekly candles. That'll confirm this whole move down and sideways is officially over, and then you can move up. As for the market caps here, since they're written out like this, that means they're old. We haven't looked at them in forever. So 786 retracement from today, if that 618 holds, would be a 5x to 240. This is an older coin, isn't it? And if you think this thing's going to make a new high, possible $9, $10, which this may not even be the whole chart. That'd be almost a 20x. But personally, I don't know what this is, but I know it's an older coin. But coins that don't have a lot of hype, no one talks about, if I was in on it, I would get out at a 5x. I couldn't hold longer than that, not knowing what it's going to do. There's so many coins out now. Just my honest opinion. Let me pull up CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. They both suck anyway. Like I keep saying, it takes into the account. You got to look at the supply and you got to look at the market cap. Oh yeah, Toshi's trending. Toshi's trending, God. But let me just look real quick since we're here. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. SYN. Hey, that's what you said, huh? Synapse. Yeah, SYN. So this thing right now is loading. It's sitting at 100 million market cap. 100 million market cap with almost all the coins out, so that's good. So from just looking at that really quick, you can just kind of judge. 100 million. There's a good chance you hit $1 billion. So maybe this thing comes up and hits $5 and you get a 10x. Like I said, if people are going to buy it, 1.7 wouldn't be out of the question in a bull market. Let's see. I got that super chat. Chain GPT Shadow. Chain GPT and Shadow. What's up, Alex? I don't know what Chain GPT is. Another one we have never looked at. Yeah, big old double bottom W pattern. Just about to go to the moon. Alright, I had to keep answering my phone. So this one here just made a lower high. We'll just do it simply. Low to the high here. As long as you're above 19 here, 19.7, you're still bullish. Any lower than that, it's going to break down off of the lower high on the weekly candles here. But you're still holding the bottom trend, so we'll see if that holds up. See where that takes us. Depending on where you want to draw, there's not enough stuff there to. So just keep it simple. As long as you're over 19.7, you're bullish. Any lower than that off the double top, lower high, then it's going down probably to a 618 retracement. But no idea what this is. Let's see. High to the low, you're above the 786. Where is it at? But yeah, I mean, this thing looks to be coming down, so where's it going to run to? Nobody knows. It's at 25 cents. It's still amazing that you guys can come up with coins we've never looked at or heard of. But if we go low to the high or high to the low, you can see it smacked into the 786 here at 38. Now she's coming down. So with that being said, we'll keep it simple, move this thing along. It's probably coming back down to the trend here. So 42% drop to try to hold, unless it stays and moves to a higher high. Shadow token. You guys are killing me with this. Nothing bullish on shadow token. If it's not on the, it looks like it's on some sort of support. So if it's not on the 618, oh yeah, it's right on the 786. So final support is in. Low to the high, 35. You're just dipping below, but ultimately holding. So if this is not it, she's coming down and possibly hitting a new low. Because from that low, I made a new low, and then now it's breaking down. So 358 needs to hold, and it needs to get back up to 44 to confirm the bottom is in. And then not bullish until over 64. No breakout until you're over 117. Yeah, with a weekly candle. You got to get a weekly candle over 117 to confirm any kind of move up. Shadow token here, but ultimately it's bearish at the moment. Nothing bullish about it. But if this is going to get bought and be something, what is it, 35 cents, $6? That would be a 17x, 17, 18x. If you want a more conservative target, $1.80, $2 would be a 5 to 6x. About a 5.5, 6x, $5 or $2 rather. Let's see. What's up with Jupiter? What you mean by that? Is it moving? Or are you talking about the exchange? Yeah, did you ever get your airdrop? I don't remember if I asked you or not. What's up, RS? Should I buy XCN at 26? Corium. Corium. I don't know. I'm still waiting to see if I'm going to buy it or not. Yeah, Corium's still holding up. Bull flag pattern doesn't look bad. You're down below 236, so the only positive thing is your pattern here. But ultimately, you're right on the 382. So as long as you hold over 183 or 18 here, this thing's bullish in this pattern to break out at some point. So in a bullish setup for this one. Possible target once you get back over, what is that, 24 would be 60. Not bad, a 3x from here. But it's like all these other coins, XLM and XRP, they're all just kind of hanging out after the move. And then Corium 618 retracement from today is at 14x to 260. And then 775 for a 786 retracement would be a 40x almost. NASDAQ, please. What is that? Alex says DGen and Myro are dead. Yeah, Myro's dead. Billy's dead. What is DGen doing? Oh, man. What is wrong with these coins? Alright, so it appears you're coming down to the 618 here on DGen. This is why I'm afraid to buy XCN, because it happens every time. I bought Open Custody Protocol at one point, it died. I bought DGen, probably 3-day candles. I bought DGen, I think, right here, if I remember correctly. And it died ever since. So I got out. Every time I buy a coin, it dies for some reason. I don't know why. But I do have $50 on XCN already, but I do have that other money that was given to me. But I'm trying to see what to buy with it, because I don't want it to go to zero. It's my last hope, or I'm not going to make it. And I really have to make it this year. So right now, 0063 on DGen is your support. If it's going to keep dying hard, then another 29% drop to the 236. But it's like right there. It's slightly higher low, even if it hits 63. Yeah, the market just sucks. It's not fair. What is NASDAQ? Yeah, it even sucks when you dream about crypto. Do you guys dream about your investments? NASDAQ and Tether, another new coin to look at. It's going to zero. What is this? Oh, this thing looks like trash. What is this? It's either about to put the bottom in or there's no bottom. Let's see. Yeah, this chart looks horrible. This is monthly candles, by the way. This thing's going down. Down below 3, the ultimate bottom. And then we go low to the high. Unless there's a better chart, you're down below the 786 here. So this thing looks like it's coming down to a penny, maybe lower. There's nothing good looking on it. Let me see if there's another chart. NASDAQ. I think that's it. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but it looks horrible. Looks like it never wants to go back up. What's up, Mo? We got 102 people on Twitter. I appreciate you guys over on Twitter. 64 on YouTube. Not bad. Let's see if I got all the super chats. All right. Velo's still looking good to you. Yeah, Velo still looks good if you're talking about Velo protocol. We drew this last night in the live stream. You're in a rising wedge pattern, so she's going to zero. Very strong move down. Rising wedge. Technically, that's what this is telling you. Price is about to break down. I never thought to draw that before. But it looks like Ethereum, so we're going to be bullish on it. This is also a continuation pattern or a reversal pattern, so if I remember correctly. I can't buy this thing anyway, so it doesn't matter. Well, you're holding the trend. You're over the 382. Yeah, it looks bullish to me. It looks like it's just getting coiled up here. And just keep it that simple. If you fall below 1.7, you're below the 382. And then you know it's over. But it looks like it wants to go vertical to me. Let's see. ASM and yeah, as long as ASM's over 666, which I guess it's not anymore. Oh no, it's a good try. Yeah, you can clearly see 3-day daily candles closed above, but it didn't hold. You need a weekly candle. So you have 1 day and 8 hours left for this candle to close over 6.6 here. If it doesn't, then she's going back down. Simple stuck at double 618. That's not a good look. So that's what you really got to watch for, is a weekly close over this level here. So we still got almost 2 days to watch it. But macro and then high to the low 618, double 618 got stuck at. Yeah, I don't see any kind of consolidation going on. But yeah, XCN, is she dropping down below the 786 here? 2.6. We're still hanging out at this 2.6 level, so it doesn't look bad. Oh, we're losing the 786 support now. But yeah, I'm kind of waiting on XCN here to see if this thing's going to crawl around like it did back here. So maybe we're right in here to where we hit the top and then we kind of just crawled back around sideways. So maybe Monday we finally go up, Monday or Tuesday. But it seems to be doing the same thing it did here. But as long as we're holding this pattern here, I would say as long as we're above 919, we're good. But that's why I don't want to buy in yet, because I want to see if this pattern is going to still play out. As you can see, buy in and then it'll drop 28% on me. And then I'll get scared and get out. But if we watch this thing and she crawls around here and holds these levels and then just kind of gets squeezed like it did back here, then we can be really bullish on it. And it's getting squeezed right now also, so we'll see what happens. But if it comes back down to 219 to 2 here, maybe a good buying opportunity. Let's see. Bullish on ASM, yeah. I mean, what is ACX? What's up, Principal? He says XPR. Washington State in the house is Andrew. What's up? Wait, what did you say? ACX, but maybe by this afternoon she'll be leaving. What is ACX? A cross protocol? There's so many different protocol coins. Yeah, it's just another one that came out and went straight up. So it's holding the 382 at the moment. So your support is 39. Bounced off the 0.5. But it's still holding overall structure, higher highs and higher lows, weekly candles here. So until it clearly breaks down, I would say simply 39 is your price to hold, just stay bullish. Yeah, and you pretty much low to the high, just hit the 786 also. So 36 up to 39. And then short-term bullish back over 81, 82. And then as for where this thing's going to, there's I don't even know what to draw on here. Yeah, got stuck at the 2618, so I would just simply stay on this one. It's probably going from 42 where it is now. Next higher highs a 5x to 22 or 212. and then possibly $5 for an 11 to 12x. If it's going to hold bullish. Toshi about to leave the station. Yeah, what's up, Eldor? Now, let me close some of these pages out. But yeah, Toshi left the station from last night. I think she's about to spike up in 90%. Yeah, she's getting stuck right now at the 1272 at 3094. But yeah, next stop up is 1 to 11. Oh, it's a 25% move. But she already left the station, I think. This is what we keep looking at on these Solana coins. Draw the chart and we say if it's going to go from the bottom, new high 1272, and this one did that. So what did this do from the bottom? Not bad, a 7.5x. Where's my 7.5x? Oh, Billy's holding. Billy's trying to hold. Win is doing nothing. Used car still holding strong. Snake is holding. Ugh. So unfortunate. Popcat sucks. Yeah, Toshi's getting stuck right now. If it pushes through, then it's still bullish. TUA looking for a good AI play. What's up, Lord Zero Cool? What is that on? Is that a deck screener coin? TUA. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Thoughts on what? Assembly AI, ASM, right? What's a bandsaw? Oh yeah, I guess that was it. Next C AI play. Oh. This thing's going to zero. There's no bottom. Can't do anything with it. There's wicks all over the place. So either the bottom is in or it's not. If it's only on MEXC, it probably sucks. It just made a new low. So until you clearly get back over the support here, 3.7, there is no bottom. So I would say there's a lot better AI plays out there. High to the low, 2.9 up to 3.7 to put the bottom in short term, long term, and be bullish. Like I said, there's no bottom on this thing yet. But yeah, it's an ASM assembly protocol. Yeah, ASM's back down below the double 236 or 618 rather on the weekly. So 666 is your big price. You got stuck at double 618, so that's not a good look. You have to get a weekly close over the next day in 7 hours over 6.6, and then you're in good shape. If not, then it's done and it's coming back down. That's all there is to it. It'll probably come all the way back down to the trend. What's up, Mikey Mike? Turbo's going to 0053. She's still coming down about 10% or so. Udang. Yeah, some of these coins are dying. Where's our Udang chart? Yeah, and this thing's just looking horrible. Yeah, some of these coins are getting hit hard. Especially some of these bigger meme coins, DGen, Mudang. Man. Yeah, you're on the final support to be bullish here. Let me fix this. Yeah, okay, we do have a tiny wick down there. So any lower than 12, then you're no longer bullish here. Let's see if you're hitting that final support. Yeah, your final support's going to be down here at 9.5 to 10, 7.86236 if you lose 12. But momentum is clearly way down on this thing, 3-day chart, and I'd imagine, yeah, everything tells us the move down is strong. Nothing to see here. This thing's going down. So until it recovers and starts to move back up, I would just say look out below. So another 20% drop is in play at the moment, in my opinion. And the Trump coin, I think now that Trump's in office, that coin's dead. There's no more hype for it. You said you bought it at $9. Wait, what did you say? Yeah, Mudang is going to recover at some point, but it's just coming down, giving you a chance to buy in. But the fact that they listed Mudang and GigaChat and Toshi and all these coins on Coinbase, Coinbase knows what they're doing. They're getting these things listed so they can make money off all the transactions that are going to come in, because people are going to start buying these coins when we go vertical. And they'll go up, but right now, I guess if you're watching these things come to the bottom, you can get these things at cheaper prices. But you said you bought at 9, we're at 27. Yeah, the only thing to do with Trump coin is a 4-hour chart here. There's nothing, it's coming down. I think we've been saying that. So let's see if we're holding. Oh yeah, you just hit 1272 support to the downside on these 4-hour candles. So 2688 is your support. Any lower than that, then Mochi's dropping more, which the momentum is way down. To the final support, so you're probably going to drop 13% here down to the 786, and any lower than 24, then it's done. Maybe it'll go back up in the future, but not financial advice. But if you say you're still up on it, then do what's best for you. But I mean, you look at it on the larger time frames, it looks like a coin that came out and they just pulled the rug on it. But I know there's people bullish on it. I know people like it, but chart tells us something different. What's up, Ben? Told you to put money on Mochi. What is Mochi doing? Is she going? Yeah, GST's down here at the bottom. She had a nice little spike, but ultimately GST's down here doing nothing. Still stuck down below the trend. It's kind of just repeating history on a smaller scale. So ultimately, until you get over a 4, there's nothing to be said. And if we go high to the low, you're getting stuck right at the new 236 and 18. So until you get over that, the bottom's not in. But if you're ever looking to buy in on GST and you think it's going to run, now's the time. You just hit the final 786 support. So technically on the smaller time frame on this, you're back above the 618 as you can see. So that could have been the bottom. Really needs to be the bottom. Bullish back over 2.1 to 2.5. I don't think I missed anything. Mochi, what is Mochi? I don't even know what that is. Mochi on base. Yeah, she's moving. Yeah, I don't even think I ever looked at Mochi, but yeah, she's moving. All right, let me switch this back to XCN. I gotta go to get a drink or something. I don't know if you guys can tell, but in my voice and my energy here, I don't feel too great all of a sudden. But yeah, still looking to get on ACS or XCN or something. I don't want to go gamble that money away on coins that are just going to die like PopCat. Tired of losing my money. Especially money that is gifted to me from you guys. But yeah, XCN's still holding up. Yeah, we'll go over to Dex Screener in a minute and look at Mochi, but I don't know. What do you guys think? You think XCN's about to move out of here? Or are we gotta wait till Monday? Yeah, and this other pattern, it kind of did the same thing. It held the 618 for 4 hours and then it just died. Or didn't die, but it came down and held the macro 0.5, and now we're holding the macro 618. So this thing could technically come down to this 0.5 area and go sideways, and then we move out. Are we forming a double top on XCN? What's up, Gulf Coast? Yeah, we'll look at Toshi and Mochi in just a moment. What's up, Loom? Appreciate your GST update. I appreciate the words, my man. Oh, you talking about this here? Double top? It did the same thing here. We're looking for this consolidation pattern to play out, just like it did on this one back here, and then we went again. So we wicked down and we drew this, I think yesterday or the day before. And then from here, we came right up to the top perfectly after we drew it. So we're going to see if it holds up. How many people we got here? 116, 51 on YouTube. How long have we been streaming for? An hour? All right, give me 5 minutes. I'll be right back. I got to go take care of this. All right, I'm back. I'm back. What do we got going on here? Still got 50 people on YouTube, 165 on Twitter. What's up, Alex? He says I put 10K on DGen just to be down more than 65%. That's unfortunate. Yeah. At some point, it's going to recover. We got Loom connected for the $4.99 super sticker. I appreciate that, my man. Appreciate that a lot. That's what keeps me going here. Keeps the grind every day. What are we looking at? Going over to Deck Screener once again. What's up, Robert? Too late to buy XCN? That's what I'm asking myself right now. Still holding up in the pattern here. So it still looks like it's going to repeat what it did. Yeah, Mochi here is moving. That's what I keep saying. Why can't my coins do this? Why do they got to go to zero every time? Oh, that's a large scam wick. We're not going to use that. Mochi. Yeah, Mochi's bullish. She's over the 382 at 1.5. So once you get over 2.6, this thing should break out. 17 million market cap, 92,000 holders. Maybe that's what I need to do. Find a coin that has a ton of holders. Mochi incoming 7x to 3012. And as for Toshi, she's still getting stuck. Yeah. Right now, Toshi's still getting stuck at the 1272 new high at 9.4. So if it can break through that, then possibly 1618 at 2001, 25% move again. But it is getting stuck right now. Yeah, he says too late to buy XCN. We're still watching it very closely here on the channel. It's my pleasure. I appreciate your hard work. I appreciate the super sticker. Marvel's Frenzy says, can you do lithium finance? What's the ticker for that? Dustin says, last bull run I lost 78K XRP on FTX. Oh, that's unfortunate. 35K on Celsius. Yeah, I feel you, Alex. I was the same way on Arrow. I had a good chunk in on Arrow and it was pumping, and every day I would come on there and take like $800 profit, $1,000 profit, $1,500 in profit. And then I would just let it ride, and then it just went to zero. And of course I put that money on other coins and they went to zero, and then I had to pull everything out. Still, that's what it is. It's just misery. Not for all, but I'm still in the shadow realm. I got one glimmer of hope with this money on some coin. I don't know if I'm going to do XCN or ACS. Lithium finance. What is lithium finance? How do you even spell that? Yeah, I got some kind of little weird headache going on. It's messing with my brain. But yeah, Toshi looks good here. If it can push through, she'll just continue to run. Lithium Finance, another new coin we got to look at. Let's see. Possibly the Gata O chart. Looks like this one's been out for a good while, and she's been going to zero forever. What is this? Yeah, there's nothing bullish on this chart at all, but if you believe in what this is and it's going to go somewhere, see the wick high. So you're down below the 236, obviously. It's made a new low. So until you get back over 305, bottom is not in. It looks like to be with a weekly candle. But you hit the final support level. You're sitting right on it. So this is either the bottom or it's not. Momentum is down. 3-day chart. Yeah, it's favoring to move down at the moment, but you never know. So this is either it at 1.8 or she's going to probably go for a new low again. So off of that, it needs to get back over 2.2 up to 2.6 to be bullish and the bottom end. Short term. But like I said, the weekly candles need a weekly candle close over 5.0 to confirm a bottom. And if you want hopium off of that 786, maybe you're finding a double bottom with a higher low, and then that'll send you up. What's up, Slava? How you doing, my man? How's your day going? I'm doing good, besides not just feeling well all of a sudden. Turbo's still coming down. We got 2 support levels on Turbo, or she's to hold. If they don't hold, then Turbo's over. We got Ben for 5. Toshi, how high will it go? I appreciate the 5. That's a good question. I don't think no one can answer that, but we can go look. Like I said earlier, the only thing you can do right now is you're stuck at the, what's this, 3-day? I mean, there's no telling how high this thing's going to go. 382 million market cap. What am I looking for? If this thing's going to run up to the top of the fib. What we got on the screen, the top of the fib would be 2029. 4236 would be another 3x. But as of right now, it has to break through here, and then possibly 80% move to 1.6. Just note she is at resistance right now. At 300, so if this thing hits $1 billion market cap, looks like we already drew up the market caps. So market cap wise, where it is now, it looks to move up 50%, so 800 million would be another 2x. Maybe a 3.5x to just over $1 billion market cap. Look at the lithium. I appreciate the 5. Some shit coins are going up. Yeah, Arrow was doing good for me, but you know the story. When it started to drop, I was going to hold, but then I had to just sell for the loss, and then it's gone. XCN equals winning. Yeah, I still don't know what to buy yet. It says COVID or bird flu. COVID or bird flu. Hopefully not. My mom was sick with the flu a couple days ago. She's over it now, but I wouldn't think it would take this long to hit me. I guess it could. Yeah, that one doesn't look good. Yeah, all that money on your PNG gains. It's just the way it is. Trying to catch up on the chat. XDB. It's XDB. XDB. XDB chain on KuCoin. Come on, marker. Yeah, it looks like just another coin that came out and went to 0. And as I always say, made a new low, it bounced, stuck at the 236. But if no one's going to buy this coin and you can't buy it anywhere, then it may never go up. And as you can clearly see, the reason I zoomed out to the monthly is because on the weekly they were wicking up and getting stuck, but you can clearly see on the monthly that's your price. So until you get a monthly candle close, almost 7 days left, you gotta get a monthly candle to close over 8.7 or there is no bottom. It can come down and go lower. So just keep that in mind on the monthly. And then very short term, yeah, you're right over the 382 to stay bullish. So you have to stay over 63 to stay bullish, or you're probably going to drop all the way down to 0.003. And like I said, you have to get a monthly close over that price, or you're going to drop down 50%, possibly to a new low on this one. But just zooming out to the monthly, where's this thing going to run to? Possibly 618 retracement in the bull market up to 208. Like I said, if people are going to buy this thing, almost a 13x. That's not bad. And then a 33x to 2 pennies. So a penny and then 2 pennies pretty much. Oh. XDB on KuCoin. Is the chart different? Oh no, it's the same exact chart, ain't it? I remember the days of using KuCoin. Alright, so the KuCoin chart is a little different here. But still, it's down here at the bottom. Just made a new low, and it needs to get over 1.4 on the KuCoin chart. Then bullish over 5. But yeah, this one does give you different prices. 618 retracement up to 3.5 pennies. Wow, that's a 55x. So depending on where you think this thing's going to end up. 382 retracement at 5 is possible for at 8x. So off of this chart, you could say a weekly candle can close over that level there, and you'd be alive. This sucks. 3063, 382 support. Any lower than that, and then you're probably coming back down to the bottom. So 6.3 to stay bullish, to maybe push over 1.4. If not, 50% drop. But yeah, we'll probably stream again later if I'm not feeling horrible. Probably do this one for 2 hours. Got an hour and 40 minutes. We're almost there. We'll see what XCN's doing later. Where's my 55x? Yeah. What's up, Joe? Welcome back in. Yeah, I think Ondo's still holding up. But if we just chop around and keep going down, then, but I keep saying, as long as East's not moving, that's probably what your coin's going to do. If your coin's not special and going up right now, then yeah, we went over this last night. You're over the 382 at 141. If you can hold that, you are bullish. And then let's see. I mean, it doesn't look horrible. The only concerning thing, I think I pointed this out last night, is the move down and the little move up here. This could be a little bear flag telling us the price is going to go down more. Don't want to say that, but the way the market is right now. But if we can break through 148 here and continue to move, yeah, you're over the 382. So as long as you're over 117 to 122, you're bullish here. It just needs to break through. You can see the 236 here to be even more bullish. But I like Ondo. I think Ondo's going to be a good play. But then there's so many coins out there. You could say that about probably 20, 30 different coins. And there's no guarantee they're all going to go. Ondo, if Ondo's going to hold and run and do something, I think Ondo anywhere from $17 to $20 is fair. 25 on the high end. Very conservative would be $13 to $15 for an 8 or 9 to 10x. And then 17, 18 here would be your 11, 12x, 53 billion market cap. And then the $20 range here. So maybe this thing hits $20 to $25 for a 14 to a 17x. But if you're like me, you'd be conservative. I'm going to be conservative on all my. If I get in on anything and I get any kind of decent money on a coin, I learned last time, don't be greedy. When you get greedy, that's when you lose it all. Same thing with Arrow. I got caught up in Arrow and the hype of Arrow again. Told myself I would never do that again. I did make a little bit of money on it, but ultimately I held it to zero. Never going to make that mistake again. What's up, Jay? The new information today lowered the prices of crypto because people aren't sure where the money will start to follow into. Yeah, whatever happened with the Justin Sun thing? Is he going to buy some coins and stake them for XCN? I did go look at the article on it, so I mean, if there's FUD out there for XCN and talk of lawsuits, then it kind of, drives people away, if you will. He says, don't be greedy. Yeah, don't be greedy. Everyone, don't be greedy. We're seeing it again, the FOMO and the greed with XCN. What happened to you on Arrow? No, it just dropped. When it was going down, I was at a loss. Like, down big time. I've said this many, many times. But yeah, holding Arrow all through this, making some good money. Put that money into other coins that eventually died. We've all been there. And then somewhere in here, when Arrow was just going down, I just told myself I'm just going to hold because we're bullish on Arrow. Got caught up in the hype and the opium. And then I had to get out. I had to sell somewhere in here because unexpected things in life happened. Bills and all kinds of stuff. And not to mention losing my job for 21 years, getting laid off. So it all hit me once, and I lost everything. That's the world of crypto, sucked down into the shadow realm every time you try to get up. I know some of you guys are making money, but I just need to get that right play going. Everyone's saying XRP might explode. Yeah, XRP's holding up good. Oh, we got Carlos for 5. I appreciate that, my man. What do you think of Floki? Do you think we better just go in Floki or Spell? Well, that's a huge difference, Floki or Spell. Floki or Spell. Yeah, XRP still just up here. Let's see, what is she doing now? She's just going sideways. Is that 4 hour? Why did we have that on a 4 hour? I mean, XRP's still holding bullish, so that's really all you can say. And as I keep saying, there's no reason for these things to come up. So as long as you're over 296 here, you're good. But just looking at the overall chart, we formed a pattern, we moved. So you're still macro bullish, and you're clearly in a bull run on XRP. And with XRP doing this, making a higher high from 2018, that should tell us altcoins should be here any moment, in my opinion. The fact that these coins are running, because it looks like XRP. I mean, XRP, because of the lawsuits, I think, had this real crappy 2021 bull run. But we may be in here. So from the last time, we're in our, second or third little candle spawning in. And this thing's just going to continue to fly. Floki, I don't even know what Floki's doing. Floki, what is Floki doing? Floki, well, Spell's at the bottom, Floki's at the top. So just take that information as you will. Floki looks like all these other coins at the top. Render and Fat, they're all forming the same pattern. Overall higher highs and higher lows. It is holding up. You are below the 786. But the question is, how much more can Floki run? Because I remember looking at Floki. I had Floki, a little bit of Floki on Mexi years ago. It was back in here. And then I got out right before it ran. And then it ran again. Floki from where it is right now. Maybe get another 10x out of this thing. Spell. Let's hope the spell's gonna run it. If it is, I hate the spell chart. Oh man. But just like I always say, do your research. Make sure that there's a community and make sure people are going to buy the coin that you're going to buy. Yeah, spells down here has done nothing. There's nothing bullish about it. Right below the 618236, down below the trend. But if you're looking for how high wise, spell 618 retracement, very possible. Spell to a penny, 12.5x, 2 billion market cap. I think that's possible. If she's going to run it all, that's where she's going. And if you're lucky, 5 pennies. That's a large move. Like I said, we're not going to look up at the end of the year next year and look at the little information, and we're not going to see every coin in the world doing 40, 50 X's. What am I missing here? Why am I highlighted? I wouldn't hold any altcoins of crypto. Thanks for reminding me the fear and greed indicator to check. It will give me a clue where we are now. Same thing happened to you. Made 150K on Stronghold and lost. It came down to 33. Damn. It's not easy making money in this crypto game, I tell you that. Yeah, and I'm starting on the bottom. I'm trying to come up with my little $500, but I don't know where to put it at yet. What's up, Dan? LCX. This will probably be it after LCX. I feel like I'm going to throw up. I don't know what's wrong with me. LCX to the moon. She's probably still in the same spot. Yeah, LCX is still holding. You're over the 618. As long as you're over 20, at some point it's going to break out of this flag pattern here. Yeah, you're over the 3-2, so it could be breaking out soon. So as long as you stay over 25.5, confirmation. Excuse me, over 30 on LCX. But yeah, LCX here. Yeah, I don't know where LCX is going, but everyone says it's a big Europe exchange, so it's going to do really well. So maybe you get a $4 to $5 billion market cap, 18 to 19, maybe a 20x. So maybe $5 is where LCX is headed to. Let me make sure I covered the super chats. All right, let me. But yeah, I'll probably stream later if I'm not feeling horrible. Just right now, I got to go take care of myself because I don't know what's going on with me. I can feel myself just going downhill, getting sucked more and more to the shadow realm of death. Oh, vision streaming. But yeah, hopefully LCX holds up here. Man, we're just flying with subscribers right now. That's nice to see. Let me get this over here. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming in this morning and the super chats and the support and everything. Most people are happy with their portfolio. That's good to see. Toshi got listed on Coinbase, so people are piling in, I guess. Yeah, my plan is to have an evening stream. I just got to get off and see what's wrong with me. I don't know. Everything's starting to just, when you start feeling bad and it just gets worse and worse as the hours go by. That's what I'm feeling right now for some reason. But yeah, we got the super chats. I appreciate you guys coming in. Look out for a live stream later on. Of course, check out the videos on the channel. Hit the like button. And we'll see what XCN and the rest of the market does. But there's no alt season. We're not going anywhere till the dominance falls and until ETH moves. And ETH is doing nothing. What is Bitcoin at? I don't even know. 104. Yeah, Bitcoin's been doing nothing forever now. And of course, the dominance is still up. ETH is not moving. All right, but yeah, we'll leave it at that. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone, and peace out.